Everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this math question that looks harder, but it's not actually. But what many people do, they solve it like 14 divided by 14 as 1, and then 14 divided by 14 as 1, and then 1 divided by 1 as 1. What do you think? It's correct or incorrect? It's incorrect. Yes, you heard it right. When an expression like this, a single operation is repeating itself again and again, then always use and solve from left to right. So it's 14 divided by 14 divided by 14 divided by 14. So it's 1 divided by 14 divided by 14. So 1 divided by 14 divided by 14. So there are two different things, 1 by 14 divided by 14 or 1 by 14 multiplied by 14. In this case, you can cancel out, but in this case, you have to change the symbol of division to multiplication and do the reciprocal. So it becomes 1 over 196. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.